when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice.
Everything you want but you can't have. Number one regret, no takebacks. The hole in your chest, that's payback. Payback, yeah, you better take that. You could call me selfish and critical, I could take the blame. Just like I could take a match and send it up in flames. Don't say I didn't warn ya. This might hurt, but that's just karma.
Your smile keeps playing, you're miles away, yeah. I would go overseas just like that. Don't overthink it, why can't you stay here? Give me the call and I'll just be there like that. I don't understand it, but you keep me together when everything around me keeps me under pressure, yeah. It's so overwhelming, but I will wait forever so you can come and get it. I don't understand it.
Secrets go 'cause I've forgotten mine. They've slipped out of my control and you know where they hide. Your love's a little heavy, you're touching me already and it's working up my nerves. You should probably forget me 'cause I'm terrified you'll get me when I'm at my worst. It's not too late to let you know that you're in love with me.
It's been long since we've been okay. I'm putting off what's coming. Another night staring at the ceiling. You desire to be alone, to be the one they're always thinking of. And I'm sorry